Hi, in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to use a different photo for iPhone home screen wallpaper. Follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, go to your iPhone settings app and here tap on wallpaper, and here you will find all of your wallpaper. So now just tap on the wallpaper that you want to edit. Make sure to tap on home screen wallpaper. So this is my home screen. Just tap on customize for home screen. And now all you have to need to change your home screen wallpaper. You can change your wallpaper color from here. You can add a gradient from here, and to change a different photo, to set a different photo, just tap on photos, and now from your gallery you will be able to select a photo from your home screen wallpaper, as you can see. Now to add a effect, just swipe to the left side to add a effect to your photo. Now tap on done and tap on, if you want to add a blur to your home screen wallpaper, just tap on blur and tap on done, and that's it. Now I'm going to lock my iPhone, and as you can see, this is my lock screen wallpaper and this is my home screen wallpaper, and home screen wallpaper is different. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.